on an exploring mode. Oh, there you go. The sun. Yeah. We got a bit of sun. Let's go. Why aren't you going to kiss me, Mom? It's okay. Hike first, hike first. Go for it when you have some space. What a beautiful dog. Next, left. Yes. Fall is here. At least, you know, we still get some sunshine. Ooh, this is quite horny. Best to fully covered. Max is such a great hiker. He scrambles so fast. No, don't do that. What do you mean steep? It's not steep for Max. Very well done. Well done, Max. There you go. And then we're gonna hike some more. Let's go for more hike. Go free. No, it's okay. Free. I'll follow you. You ready? Go. Free. We're gonna go there until there. Maybe hang out in the older area. Okay, come on. Free. You're waiting for me. Okay, I'll go down. No, I'll go down. Thank you, I'll go down. Free. I cannot multitask. Go. Well done. Let's go. Free. Okay, I think you want to play. This is then an area where at least I can throw your frisbee. Are you ready? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, you can find that. Can you search? Oh no. If Max doesn't find it, I'll be the one to search for it. So I know it fell into the shrub, bush. I hope you can easily get it. Yes, I oh, I think you found it. Find it? Yes! You found it? Well done. Thank you, Max. Very good. Okay, drop. Well done. Are you ready? Okay, this one is so good. He's so good at scrambling. It's so natural. Yes. Very good, Max. Drop. Drop. Ready? Spin. Twirl. Look at that. Who's an agile dog? Is that you? Very good. Okay. Shall we head back? Is that good height for now? Yeah? Okay, let's head back. Walk or go back? Okay. Okay, so walk. How many hours have you been walking? Oh, half an hour. Is that good enough? Well, if we walk back now, it's another half an hour, so that's gonna be like 1 hour of exploring. What do you think? And then you can have a nap? Or you wanna explore more? Okay, maybe we just walk up to that. What do you think? Yeah? Let's play later after we walk out. Yeah? Okay, let's walk out. Wait, I need to balance walking on these. So I'm gonna capture once I get to the stairs part. I know. Is this effortless for you? I think Max is just like, this is too easy. Is this too easy? Yes, it is too easy for you. Because you're a super dog. Whoa. For Max, this is like a baby. A baby, very basic. There's no poop inside. Yes, Max is gonna take you and show it to you. Look at that. Wow. Well done. Let's come back. Come back. Come back, Max. Well done. Okay, let's go back. No. Okay, go. Go walk. Well done, Max. hike for you. There you go. There you go. We came from there. Is that good enough hike? How long now? 36 minutes. I think it should be good enough, no? Where's Max? Max! You want more?